In the last 30 days, I used a few simple CapCut effects that boosted my content and even made me money. Today, I am showing you 4 of them and exactly how to create them in CapCut. Here is a quick look at what we are creating today.
Welcome to Master It Now, where learning never stops. Simple, step-by-step tutorials to help you learn anything and master everything.
Let us start with this cinematic text effect. It is a simple trick that can instantly make your titles look more dramatic and professional. Let's start by importing our clip into the timeline. And instead of overthinking it, we start with something simple, a default text layer. Replace the text. Choose a bold font, increase the size, and give it breathing room by spacing out the letters. Right here, the text already feels stronger, but this is where it changes. Let's go into animations. Choose the blur wipe right animation type and slow it down to 2 seconds. That delay? That's what gives it weight. Now select the text, turn it into a compound clip, and duplicate it twice. Same text, same timing, but each layer is about to do something different. Now let's hide the top layers and focus on the first one. Switch the blend mode to overlay and lower the opacity, just enough for the text to feel part of the scene, not sitting on top of it. Instantly, it stops looking like text and starts feeling cinematic. Then we add a rectangle mask, adjust the size, move it into position, and isolate just 2 characters. This is the trick most people skip. Let's hide that layer, move to the second compound clip, add a horizontal mask, rotate it, and align it carefully. Same thing with the third layer, horizontal mask, rotated, repositioned. Adjust the speed until the motion feels just right for your scene. And now, when everything plays together, the text doesn't animate, it reveals itself. Clean, controlled, cinematic. This is how editors make text feel intentional, even inside CapCut. Before we jump into the next lesson, make sure you're subscribed so you can follow along easily. Next, I will show you how to create a clean watermark effect. It protects your videos while still keeping them looking polished and professional.
Step 1. Import your main video into the timeline. Now duplicate that clip. Place the duplicate directly above the original on a higher track. Step 2. Go to Text, then click Add Text. Type your watermark. Position it exactly where you want the reflection to appear. Now change the text color to any bright, solid color, preferably something that stands out from your video, like green. Next, open Shadow Settings. Set shadow opacity to 100%, then increase the blur to around 12%. This prepares the text for the chroma key step. Step 3. Select both layers, the duplicated video clip and the watermark text. Right-click and choose Create Compound Clip. Now everything is merged into one layer. Step 4. Select the new compound clip. Go to Remove Background, then enable Chroma Key. Use the color picker and click on the green text. Now adjust the intensity and shadow sliders until the green disappears completely. Take your time here. The cleaner this step is, the better your reflection will look. Step 5. Create the mirror illusion. Now select the original video clip on the bottom track. In the preview window, drag the video slightly downward, just a little, to create the mirror illusion. You can adjust the distance depending on how strong you want the reflection to appear. And instantly, you'll see the reflection effect appear. Clean, subtle, professional. And that's how you create a mirror watermark effect in CapCut PC. If this tutorial helped you, drop a like. It helps more creators discover the video.
Now let us take it a step further with this cinematic text reveal. It adds smooth motion and gives your videos a more film-style presentation. Let's start simple. 2 video clips have been imported and a plain white screen. Place one video on the timeline. Bring the white screen above it and stretch it to about 6 seconds. This layer matters. It's what allows the text to reveal cleanly later. Now add a default text. You won't see it at first because it's white on white. Hide the white screen. Now the text appears. Let's set the foundation. Choose a bold font. Increase the size. Keep it clean and readable. Change the text color. Make it contrast. Bring the white screen back. This isn't about color, it's about separation. Now add a simple text animation. Give it enough time to breathe. Select both the text and the white screen. Create a compound clip. Now everything moves as one. Here's the key moment. Go into Video, remove BG. Use the chroma key and remove the text color. If any remains, increase the strength slightly. What's left is the illusion. Duplicate the compound clip. Move to the 2-second mark. Split both clips here. This small step prevents a problem later. Select the second part of the first clip. Add a split mask. Now select the second part of the duplicate. Add the same mask, but rotate it to 180 degrees, top and bottom. Let's go to the Basic tab. Keep the playhead at 2 seconds. Add a position keyframe. Move to 5 seconds. Add another keyframe. Now let's move the layers. One goes downward, the other moves upward. The text stays centered. The layers do the work. Pause here for a second. Notice there's no visible line. That's because the masks only start after 2 seconds. If we hadn't split the clips, the illusion would break. For variety, you can replace the video. You can also adjust the mask rotation. Now tweak the horizontal position to vertical. Small changes here make a big difference. And that's it. What started as simple text now feels like a cinematic reveal. Not flashy, not aggressive, just smooth, controlled motion. If this helped you see text differently, click the like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. It helps the channel a lot. And finally, one of my favorite effects, the perspective text. It adds depth and makes your text feel like it is part of the scene. First, import your video into CapCut. Now, scrub through your timeline and find the moment where the area you want your text to sit is completely visible. This part is important. You need a clean frame, no subject blocking it. Because we're about to use this as our alignment reference. Once you find it, switch to full screen and take a screenshot. CapCut doesn't have real perspective transformation tools, so instead of fighting the software, we're going to outsmart it. We'll design the perspective text externally, aligned perfectly to this exact frame, then bring it back into CapCut. Now open Pixel Lab and import the screenshot from your gallery. If you don't have Pixel Lab yet, check the link in the description. And if you'd like a PC alternative, let me know in the comments. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9, so it matches your video frame. Tap the text icon and type your word. I'll use all caps for a stronger cinematic feel. Choose your font. Bold fonts work best for this effect. Increase the size so the text fills the space properly. If you're finding this helpful so far, go ahead and hit like and subscribe. It really helps us keep making tutorials like this. Scroll to the perspective option and enable it. You'll see 4 anchor points. This is where realism happens. Use elements in your environment, paths, walls, fences, floor lines, as guides. Drag each anchor point so the text follows the natural vanishing direction of the scene. Take your time here. The better your alignment, the more believable the effect. Once it looks natural, tap OK. Remove the screenshot background. Set the background to transparent. Export, set quality to ultra. Save to gallery. Now let's bring it back into CapCut. Tap the plus button and import your PNG. Select HD to preserve quality. Add it to the timeline above your main video and stretch the overlay to match the full duration of your video. Now duplicate your original video. Move the duplicated clip above the text overlay. Select the duplicated clip. Scroll down and tap Remove BG. This will extract the subject from the background. And now your text sits perfectly between the original video and the extracted object. Select the overlay and tap Mask. Choose Split. Rotate it to -90 degrees, so the mask line becomes vertical. Add feather around 20 to 30 for a smoother blend. That's what creates the illusion that the text is sitting inside the environment. Move the mask completely to one side, so the text is hidden. Add your first keyframe. Move the playhead forward slightly. Adjust the X position so the text starts revealing as the subject walks. Keep moving forward and adding keyframes. Fine-tune the position so the reveal matches the subject's movement. Go back to the start. Let's preview. That is how you create 3D perspective text in CapCut without After Effects. If you want to take this further, you can add drop shadow for depth, motion blur for realism, subtle camera shake, and sound design for impact. Small details make it look professional. If this helped you, drop a like. It tells YouTube this is valuable. And if you want more advanced CapCut tricks that look professional, make sure you're subscribed. The best part is all of these effects are quick to create and can make your videos look much more professional. And that is it. 4 simple CapCut effects that can instantly upgrade your videos. Which one was your favorite? The cinematic text, the watermark effect, the cinematic reveal, or the perspective text? Drop your answer in the comments. If you enjoy learning simple editing tricks like these, hit subscribe so you do not miss the next one.